In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Apple Pay unable to add card. If you're seeing errors when trying to add a card to Apple Pay, it's often caused by a few device settings rather than a problem with your bank. We'll walk through a clean sequence that clears common roadblocks and gets Apple Pay working again. Start by opening settings on your iPhone. We're going to check for any limitations that might block Apple Pay. Go to screen time. Inside screen time, look for content and privacy restrictions and turn that switch off. Restrictions here can silently prevent changes to wallet, payments and account settings. Turning this off temporarily helps us rule out any hidden blocks. You can always turn it back on later once everything is working. Before moving on, make sure your internet connection is solid. If you're on Wi-Fi, confirm you're actually connected and the signal is stable. If you use a VPN, ensure it's connected properly and authenticated. Apple Pay needs a reliable, secure connection to verify your card details. Next, confirm your iPhone's date and time are set automatically. When the time is off, Apple's servers can reject requests because they appear out of sync. You'll find this in settings under date and time. Just make sure set automatically is enabled. This single setting resolves a surprising number of verification issues. Now go back to the main settings screen and tap General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset, then tap Reset All Settings. This does not delete your personal data, photos or apps. It simply returns system settings to their defaults, things like Wi-Fi networks and passwords, Bluetooth pairings, VPN configurations, notifications, the home screen layout and privacy preferences. It's a safe way to clear out a misconfiguration that could be blocking Apple Pay. You'll be asked for your passcode to confirm. After that, restart your iPhone. The exact button combination can vary by model. On most recent iPhones, press and hold the side button and either volume button until the power slider appears, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, then hold the side button again to turn it back on. A fresh boot makes sure all the new settings are applied cleanly. Once your iPhone is back on, you should find that Apple Pay can add your card without errors. If everything went through smoothly, you can return to screen time later and re-enable any content and privacy restrictions you prefer. Following this flow, removing restrictions, verifying connectivity and time, resetting settings and restarting resolves the vast majority of unable to add card issues.